For today, we'll be unboxing the Shooting Star Rockman 4-inch Nel by Sen-ti-nel Japan. This item is an event-exclusive item and released only at selected events. One is New York Comic Con, 2 is Tokyo Comic Con, and 3 is Toy Sol in Hong Kong in 2017. You can't order this from department store, toy store, retail store, only through the event. So item comes packed in a familiar 4-inch Nel box. Inside we have the familiar items, the display stand, the swappable hands, the swappable face plate. So here's the Shooting Star Blue version, and here at the bottom is the parts for the red version. No difference for the other accessory, only for these two parts. Here's another close-up of the other accessories. Upon side-by-side inspection, you notice that the visor is of different design. The paint app and style is also different. Here's from the side. Here's the back of the figures. And here's for the boots. So that's it for my quick unboxing of the Shooting Star Rockman Subaru Special Edition color version. The price of this figure started to shoot up, so do get him while still can. I'm Malvin Lim of GreattoysOnline.com. Thank you very much for checking out this unboxing video.